Advantages and challenges of square EOE lids compared to traditional round lids. In the world of canned food packaging, the end-of-end EOE lid plays a crucial role in preserving the quality and freshness of the product inside. While round EOE lids have been the industry standard for decades, square EOE lids are gaining attention for their potential advantages in both functionality and design. However, like any innovation, they come with their own set of challenges. Advantages of square EOE lids. 1. Optimized shelf space. One of the most significant benefits of square EOE lids is their ability to optimize shelf space. Square tins fit together more efficiently than round ones, reducing empty gaps in storage, transportation, and retail displays. This can lead to better storage density and less wasted space on shelves, which is particularly beneficial for businesses looking to maximize retail space or reduce transportation costs. 2. Enhanced structural integrity. Square lids may offer a stronger and more secure seal compared to round lids. The corners of a square lid can create additional pressure points that help enhance the seal's integrity. This can be especially useful for products like sardines, where a secure airtight seal is essential for freshness and preventing leakage. 3. Distinctive and modern aesthetic. Square tins with square EOE lids offer a unique and modern aesthetic that sets products apart on store shelves. In a crowded market, visual appeal can be a game changer, and square lids can give a more contemporary and premium feel to the product. Consumers may associate the square packaging with high-quality or innovative products, leading to greater brand differentiation. Number 4. Better stacking and storage. Square packaging is easier to stack both during manufacturing and in the consumer's pantry. The uniform shape allows for compact, stable stacking, making them easier to handle in bulk and transport. It also simplifies storage at the consumer level, as square tins are less likely to roll or shift around in storage. Challenges of square EOE lids. 1. Production complexity. One of the main challenges of square EOE lids is the increased complexity of the production process. Manufacturing square lids requires specialized equipment, which can increase initial setup costs. The tooling required for square shapes may not be as universally available as the round die molds used for traditional lids, potentially making it more expensive and time-consuming to produce. Material utilization and waste. While square tins optimize space for storage and transportation, the manufacturing process may generate more waste in terms of raw materials. The conversion of metal sheets into square shapes might result in more material wastage compared to the more efficient cutting process for round lids. This could impact cost efficiency and sustainability in the production process. 3. Compatibility with existing filling and sealing machines. Many canning facilities are equipped with machines designed for round cans and lids. Integrating square lids into these existing production lines could require significant modifications or investments in new machinery. This transition may prove challenging for manufacturers who rely heavily on established systems, making the shift to square lids more complicated and costly. 4. Consumer familiarity. Round lids are familiar to consumers, and the square lids might face some resistance in terms of acceptance. While the square design may appeal to modern aesthetics, some customers may be hesitant or unfamiliar with the new shape. Additionally, some might worry that the square shape may affect the quality or preservation of the product, even though there is little evidence to support such concerns. Number 5. Compatibility with traditional packaging systems. Square lids could present compatibility issues with traditional sealing systems. For example, the way sealing machines are designed to apply pressure on round lids may not translate directly to square lids. This could result in sealing issues or the need for custom adjustments, further complicating the production process.